Where to find the best sites. Beaches and beach vacations. Hello. So you want to know more about how to keep my sunhat on a windy day? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to keep my sunhat on a windy day is whobph.com. Specifically the page titled How to Keep Mice, Rats and Other Rodents Out of Your Car. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site genashh.whobph.com, especially the page How to Keep Outdoor Cats Warm in Winter, hub pages. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site ecap.crc.illinois.edu. The web page ECAP. How curriculum frameworks respond to developmental. Here's the link.